Looking for a real authentic British pub in DC? Then you must visit the Alibi, 237 2nd Street Northwest. The Alibi, a British-American pub. As a nod to the history of Capitol Hill, the Alibi is inspired by British traditions and influenced by local American products. The menu features slow roasts, fresh meat pies, fried fish, and other comfort foods made in-house with age-old techniques including braising, smoking, baking and pickling. With restored exposed brick, wood floors and stained glass chandeliers, the Alibi provides an escape from the hectic, fast-paced world right outside its doors. Simple, honest products as well as personable and stellar service give everyone from senators to maintenance workers a reason to find a good Alibi. Reserve your table now, 202-347-2237, or join us for happy hour Monday through Friday 4 p.m. till 7 p.m.